Welcome to my Origamikharadee channel. In this video, you'll learn how to make an amazing 3D origami paper fidget toy from start to finish using nothing more than a few sheets of paper and your hands. This is a relaxing and fun DIY project that combines the beauty of traditional origami with the satisfying movement of a fidget toy. It's perfect for people of all ages, kids, teens, and even adults who enjoy hands-on crafts or need something to keep their fingers busy. Origami fidget toys are not only enjoyable to make, but they're also a great way to reduce stress and anxiety, improve focus, and give your mind a calming break from screens or busy routines. The toy we'll be making has a cool 3D shape and a rotating or twisting motion that makes it super satisfying to hold and play with. It's built by folding multiple identical units of paper and then carefully connecting them together in a way that allows the entire structure to move. Don't worry if you're new to origami. I'll guide you step by step through each fold, showing you exactly how to make the shapes, how to assemble them properly, and how to fix common mistakes along the way. All instructions are beginner-friendly, and you can pause or replay the video as needed to follow along at your own pace. You'll only need basic materials to get started: some square sheets of origami paper, or any paper cut into squares, and optionally glue to help hold the structure together more securely. No fancy tools or expensive supplies are required. You can use any color combination you like: bright and bold for a fun look, or soft pastel tones for a calm and aesthetic design. Once you get the hang of it, you can experiment by making different sizes or shapes, or even try combining two designs for a unique creation. This kind of paper fidget toy is also great as a handmade gift for a friend or a school craft project. It encourages fine motor skills, patience, and creativity, making it an excellent activity for kids during holidays or weekends. It's also a fantastic alternative to plastic fidget spinners, and a fun way to recycle paper you already have at home. By the end of the video, you'll not only have a cool 3D fidget toy to play with, but also a new skill